Hello friends, you're watching Johannes. Before we start our review, let's make our disclaimer. This video doesn't contain any type of financial advice, so be sure to do your own research before investing. The third quarter of 2025 confirmed what many already suspected. Binance remains the undisputed leader among centralized exchanges. According to data from Defilema, Binance recorded 14.8 billion in net inflows, dwarfing the combined 94 million collected by the next 10 largest exchanges. To put this into perspective, Binance attracted 158 times more net inflows than all of its competitors combined, a feat made more striking by the fact that many rival platforms actually posted outflows during the same period. Binance currently serves over 290 million users globally. Since its launch in 2017, the exchange has facilitated more than 125 trillion in cumulative trading volume, surpassing even global GDP figures for 2025. A major driver of this dominance lies in its stablecoin reserves. Binance holds 31 billion in USDT and USDC, accounting for nearly 60% of all stablecoins across centralized exchanges. Personally, I know that many people who choose to use Binance because of its compliance in their home country. That is because regulatory compliance has been a core focus. Binance holds 22 licenses across different jurisdictions, more than any other exchange. Roughly 22% of its workflow is dedicated to compliance, with investments in this area increasing 30% year over year. Combined with 24/7 market surveillance and third-party certifications such as SOC2 Type 2 and ISO 27001, Binance has built a trust framework appealing to both retail and institutional investors. Security is equally impressive. Binance's 1 billion secure asset fund for users continues to act as a financial safety net. This is more than projects who only focus on security. In just last 2.5 years, the platform prevented over 10 billion in potential fraud losses, protecting more than 7.5 million users. Binance has also collaborated with law enforcement worldwide, assisting in freezing or recovering 230 million worth of stolen assets since 2022. From my personal experience, I also know that they are very fast in responding to requests, and there are constant training sessions that they organize against money loss. Now, you might think a platform like Binance, which is very established and keeps security forefront, would not innovate much. But in reality, innovation remains one of Binance's defining features. Binance Alpha has emerged as a gateway to early-stage token opportunities. Since its launch, 152 tokens have been listed through Alpha, nearly half of which advanced to future markets. Daily Alpha volumes now average 3.8 billion, attracting more than 1.2 million unique users since March 2025. Meanwhile, the platform has distributed over 6.7 billion in a value through airdrops and launch pool campaigns, positioning itself as the leading CeFi DeFi hybrid hub. Its integration of DeFi services has extended to 20 million wallet users, making Binance a natural bridge into the Web3 economy. And in a day-to-day use, as someone who is using Binance, I can say that it is very versatile and used by so many people. That's why I can safely say that liquidity is an area where Binance sets the standard. The exchange supports over 500 tokens and 1,500 trading pairs backed by a matching engine capable of processing 1.4 million orders per second. Binance Earn, meanwhile, has provided 5 billion in a lifetime savings to users, while Binance Pay has handled 230 billion across 3 million transactions. I'm also really happy in terms of who Binance helps investors to stay engaged and earn some rewards. At the core of this, you find BNB, the platform's utility token. Holding BNB has become increasingly lucrative thanks to programs like Launchpool, Megadrop, and Hodler airdrops. From January 2024 to September 2025, Binance users who held just one BNB earned over 200 in additional rewards, excluding price appreciation, which itself rose by more than 240% over the same period. BNB now functions as a multifaceted asset, a discount token, a gas fee utility for BNB chain, and a yield-bearing instrument through Binance's ecosystem incentives. As highlighted in Binance's blog, the compounding effect of these rewards has transformed BNB into one of the most compelling long-term holds in the industry. So, what do all these mean? Third quarter of 2025 underscored Binance's enduring dominance. You might know that it is the most used one, of course, but such a persistent success is really admirable. With unmatched inflows, global scale, deep liquidity, rigorous compliance, robust security, and relentless innovation, Binance continues to capture the lion's share of market capital. The exchange is the largest but also the most trusted, and with the growing rewards ecosystem powered by BNB, it's positioned to remain the main platform for both individual and business crypto adoption. You can check out the website for the latest events and airdrops to get some. The links are in the description. And that's the end of this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and check out for more. See ya.